Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the portrait tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application. After that we need to select an image, so we're going to click on the plus icon. Here you need to make sure you select an image with a face on it, because if you don't and you try to use that tool like so, it's going to say that it cannot find any faces on this photo. Of course, if the picture has a face on it, you can press try harder, but in this scenario there's not a single face on this picture. So we're going to click on cancel filter and we are going to open another image like so, and here it is. To use the tool you need to click on tools like before, and we are going to select the portrait tool. Here we have three options: skin tone, manual adjust, and styles. The styles option has some pre-made filters like so, which will change the skin tone and such. We are going to select this one. With the first option, you can change the skin tone like so. We're going to go with the pale one. And with manual adjustment, you can change three things: face spotlight, which will change the light emitted on the face, like so. Skin smoothing, which will smooth out the face like so. And eye clarity, which will make the eyes a lot more clearer. If you want to compare it to the original photo, we can click on the icon in the upper right corner, like so. And if we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X icon right here, or you can apply those changes with the check mark. We are going to apply them, of course. If you want to save our image, we need to click on export, which will show us four options: share, which will share it to our friends on our preferred platform; save, which will save our image; export, which will also save our image, but it will adjust the image to what we set it on in the settings menu; and export as will save our image to our preferred folder. We're going to click on save, and with the view button you can view the image like so. I'm going to select gallery, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.